Hello Galaxy, I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than 2 threads from Meta, aka Facebook, has now launched. Within a day, millions of people signed up using their Instagram account. Very, very simple. I already have like 2,500 followers. Never seen a network launch like that. But Elon Musk is not happy, not even close to being happy. So not happy that he is threatening legal action against Facebook. Why? Because remember when Elon fired a whole bunch of people who worked at Twitter? Remember that? Just like a few months ago? Well, he's not happy that they're now working for Meta or Facebook. So he's saying, no, they can't go there because they know about Twitter's intellectual property, blah, 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 blah. That's what Elon says. He's worried that the people he got rid of from Twitter are working on what's ostensibly a Twitter clone at Meta, Threads. But according to Meta, the people who were hired from Twitter aren't working on the Threads product at all. So Elon is being Elon and not focusing on his product, which he should have been focusing on day one, and not firing people who actually knew what the hell they were doing. He's crying over, I wouldn't say spilt milk, lost attention, really, but he's going to threaten legal action. He's more than welcome to do it. It's unfortunately going to, I think, produce the Streisand effect. People who weren't paying attention to what Threads was or what Meta was doing with Threads are now going to pay attention to it, and Threads is going to get that much more velocity. I don't expect this train to slow down anytime soon. I've been on it for a day, just like the rest of the world, and I'm having fun. It's nice to be able to try something that's Twitter-esque without it actually being tied to Elon Musk.